Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the thumbnail icon of apps is not showing in Windows search menu and start, then please watch this video. Now this is one thing. First of all, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select options, and there's an option here which says view. Make sure that always show icons, never thumbnails is unchecked. But this doesn't have anything to do with the start menu. For that you will have to clear the icon cache. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup, click on OK. Check all of those boxes here and click on OK and then select delete files. Now if this doesn't help, then search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust appearance and performance. If it's selected at anything, just select it at adjust for best appearance, click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.